Nothing's worse than missing a delivery because your doorbell chime didn't ring. Here's how to fix it, step by step. First, check the basics. Open your Nest app and make sure your doorbell is online. If not, restart your Wi-Fi router and try again. Next, look at your Chime's settings in the Nest app. Tap your doorbell, go to settings, then chime duration. Make sure indoor chime is turned on. Still not working? Check the wiring. Turn off power at the breaker for safety. Unscrew your Nest doorbell and inspect the wires. Make sure they're tight and not corroded. If they're loose, retighten them, restore power, and test the chime. If your chime is mechanical, listen for a buzzing sound. If it buzzes but doesn't ring, your transformer might be too weak. Nest recommends a 1624V, 10VA or higher transformer. Consider upgrading if needed. Finally, don't forget about Do Not Disturb or Quiet Time settings in the app. Turn those off if you want the chime to ring. If none of these steps work, try restarting your doorbell from the app or contact Nest support. Now you know how to get your Nest doorbell chime working again. Don't miss another visitor. Give these fixes a try today.